Types of tigers. Number 1. Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger is a species of tiger which is originated from the Asian subcontinent, specifically in India and Bangladesh. It ranks among the biggest wild cats alive today. If we see, we can differentiate them from other tigers because their stripes are more dark and highlighted from others. They also have a bright color. Their scientific name is Panthera tigris tigris. So a male can weigh up to 200 to 260 kilograms, whereas a female tiger weighs up to 100 to 160 kilograms. A male's height is up to 90 to 100 centimeters in average. Basically, females are 1 foot shorter than the males. The Bengal tiger has a coat with orange, white ventral area, and stripes that can vary from brown to black with amber-colored eyes. Today, it inhabits India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan and southwestern China. India's tiger population was estimated at 2,603 to 3,346 individuals by 2018. Number 2. The Siberian tiger. Siberian tiger, also called as the Amur tiger, which is also found in the Asian subcontinent, is found in Russian Far East, northeast China and possibly North Korea. Their scientific name is Panthera tigris altaica. It is now endangered and is in threat of extinction. Only about 50 wild Siberian, Amur, tigers remain in Russia and China today. Along with the other 4 tiger subspecies, Siberian tigers are one of the most endangered carnivores on Earth. We could differentiate them with other tigers by their brown and dark in their body, including their legs. They have fewer, lighter and narrow stripes. They also have a thick coat of fur that save them from the extreme weather and climate in their habitat. They usually live in hilly regions covered with soft coniferous trees. An adult male usually reaches a body length of 2 meters, with his tail adding another meter. Average weight for males is 160 to 190 kilograms, while females are smaller, weighing in at 110 to 130 kilograms. The largest male captured for scientific research under the Siberian Tiger Project weighed in at 206 kilograms. They naturally hunt boars, mosses, which are large deers, and sometimes small bears and its cubs. Number 3. The Sumatran tiger. Sumatran tiger is considered to be the smallest in the species. Their scientific name is Panthera tigris sumatri. It lives in Indonesian island of Sumatra. It is now critically endangered. It is the only surviving tiger population in the Sunda Islands, where the Bali and Javan tigers are extinct. There are now about 400 to 600 of them living. Populations have been declining rapidly in recent decades as a result of habitat loss from logging, palm oil plantations, and poaching. Males usually weigh 200 to 300 pounds, and females weigh 180 to 300 pounds. Healthy tigers have very little body fat, so that mass is almost entirely bone and muscle. Sumatran tigers may be 9 to 12 feet long, including the tail. Sumatran tigers are the apex predator in their habitat. Like all big cats, they are obligate carnivores, meaning they are biologically dependent on a meat diet. They hunt numerous species including deer, wild pigs, fish, and macaques. Only about 10% of tiger hunts result in a successful kill. They have the long and big stripes and their ears are small. Number 4. The Malayan tiger. The Malayan tiger is a tiger from a specific population of the Panthera tigris tigris subspecies that is native to peninsular Malaysia. This population inhabits the southern and central parts of the Malay Peninsula and has been classified as critically endangered on the UCAN Red List since 2015. Its scientific name is Panthera tigris jacksoni. Malayan tigers are solitary animals, except for associations between individuals of both sexes at the time of mating as well as the mother and her cubs. They are nocturnal animals, spending most of the day sleeping or traveling across their territories. Malayan tigers keep populations of prey species in check, which in turn maintains the balance in the ecosystem. This is not only important for wildlife, but for people too. The lifespan of these tigers in the wild is 15 to 20 years. Now let's see how to differentiate this species with other tigers. A Malayan tiger has orange fur on its back, tail, head, and face along with a pattern of black stripes. Its underside is white. This big cat also has long whiskers and piercing yellow eyes. The Malayan tiger is a carnivore, preying primarily on sambar deer, barking deer and wild boar. As a large predator, a tiger regards most animals it encounters as potential food, including monkeys, birds and reptiles. Tigers are nocturnal hunters. It is not the same as the Indo-Chinese tiger. It can swim. Number 5. Indo-Chinese tiger. The Indo-Chinese tiger is one of 6 subspecies of tigers still living in the wild today. They're native to the tropical and subtropical forests of Southeast Asia. Historically, Indo-Chinese tigers lived in Cambodia, China, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, and Vietnam. Their scientific name is Panthera tigris corbeti. Males range in size from 2.55 to 2.85 meters and in weight from 150 to 195 kilograms. Females range in size from 2.3 to 2.55 meters and in weight from 100 to 130 kilograms. It is now endangered. These tigers have a coat of orange or gold with black stripes. Their fur color helps to keep them hidden in the forest when hunting for food. The stripes on a tiger blend in with the shadows in a rainforest, making it hard to see these big cats. Indo-Chinese tigers' prey includes animals such as wild boar, muntjac and sambar deer, macaques, and the goat-like serow. They also sometimes prey on domesticated cattle and goats. They hunt once or twice per week and can eat up to 75 pounds of food at once. Indo-Chinese tiger numbers are in shocking decline across its range because of shrinking habitats, expanding human populations, poaching, and illegal wildlife trade. Their population, however, has declined to a mere 250 individuals, with breeding populations believed to remain only in Myanmar and Thailand. Number 6. The South China Tiger. The South China tiger is a population of the Panthera tigris subspecies that is native to southern China. The population mainly inhabited the Fujian, Guangdong, Hunan and Jiangxi provinces. Their scientific name is Panthera tigris amiensis. These tiger are now critically endangered. The South China tiger is the smallest tiger subspecies with the exception of the Sumatran tiger. Males measure 230 to 265 centimeters, 91 to 104 in, and weigh 110 to 175 kilograms. The tiger mainly lives in tropical rainforests and evergreen broad-leaved forests in southern China. In its former range, prey species include serow, tufted deer, sambar, muntjac and wild pigs. Smaller prey species such as porcupines, hares and fowl form a smaller part of their diet. There are now less than 20 of them in the wild. Their coat is lighter and more yellowish and the paws, face, and stomach appear more white. The stripes are narrower, more numerous and more sharp-edged. The South China tiger is the smallest tiger in mainland Asia but bigger than the Sumatran tiger. Okay, so now we have seen 6 types of tigers and how to differentiate them. There are other 3 extinct tigers and if you want I will make a video of it as well. So I hope we meet in another interesting video, so till that bye bye.